The clock-making industry in the Black Forest is probably the origin of industry today. At the heart of every clock, there has always been an intricate set of cogwheels, and these have always been manufactured with much love and idealism. In 1912, Franz Morat founded his company here in Eisenbach. Perhaps this was really the beginning of industrialization using gear technology, and thus the time when drive technology was born too. And so he opened up a major market for his works and for Eisenbach as an industrial location, and developed it further to other sectors, with gear technology as the all-embracing heart of our industry. These precise creative methods and the old Black Forest virtues are now, as ever, 100 years after its foundation, what drive the Framo Morat company. From the beginning, your idea has always been our drive, and still is. Always on the move, customized gear technology and drive solutions. With our roots firmly fixed in Eisenbach in the Black Forest, today we lead the international market in the fields of gear technology, worm gear sets and drive technology. We have 3 business areas that blend perfectly within Framo Morat. We specialize in gear technology. Rotor shafts, gear wheels with internal and external teeth, as well as sprockets and pinions, from a variety of metals, laminated fabric or plastic, individually or in precise combination. We can meet the needs of your application. We're renowned for our worm gear sets. With more than 1 million gear sets produced every year, we rank among the market leaders. Our drive solutions go that little bit further, whether they're standardized modular products or individually designed for your requirements. Everything is under control. Every detail counts. Our customers appreciate us as experienced partners when it comes to development and manufacturing, from the first specification right up to the final application. After all, no application is the same as any other, but each one always starts with an idea. You define the parameters, we develop the solution. The first step is to lay down specifications. Your drive now starts to take shape. Our experience ensures we take cost effectiveness into consideration and start to develop the most technically appropriate solution. And then, applying the latest CAD and calculation software, it is digitally constructed, right down to the finest detail. Digital becomes real. To begin with, Framo Morat produces a prototype in our own company. Our skilled technicians ensure it fulfills all the required characteristics. Through comprehensive tests, the contract specifications are meticulously checked. And the demands on the mechanism are fully simulated according to the application environment. Then, high-volume manufacturing begins. Turning, milling, gear cutting, shaping, broaching, hardening, grinding. All the production steps under one roof. The process is monitored without outside interference. Another point where Framo Morat excels. After quality assurance checks, the finished components are pre-assembled at separate assembly stations, ready for dispatch. The driving force. We are what drives many sectors. And there is very probably a component made by Framo Morat somewhere near you now, even if it's just the actuator in the blinds in your office. Drive units from Framo Morat are versatile in use. We guide the power of nature in the right direction. We use power to mold and to create. We transform power into controlled movement. And we're constantly driven to provide our fellow human beings with new power. What the driving power of the future will be is something that we don't know either, but it will certainly be driven using a solution from Framo Morat. And that's why today we're fostering tomorrow's most important resource, people. Their ideas, visions and talents are the basis of our success. The people at Framo Morat are not just a cog in the machinery, they are in fact an essential part of the whole mechanism. Qualified and motivated employees form the strong foundation for our high-quality standards. Fully committed to perfection, we don't compromise on quality or environmental protection. The most modern quality assurance measures applied to all work procedures ensure quality and reproducibility of results. Framo Morat is also committed to environmental protection beyond what is required by legislation. Certification standards for all process sequences minimize raw material and energy consumption. That helps us to preserve untouched both nature and the beautiful Black Forest, the birthplace and home of our locally based yet globally active high-tech enterprise with business activities in Germany, Europe and throughout the world. Framo Morat. Your idea, our drive.